This weather. The weather outside is weather. Hey Greg, does that look familiar? It's where we hung out and ate our McDonald's down there by the lake. Back in 2000, May of 2000, man. 22 years ago. We just hung out over there and waited for the boat. Say hi, Dad. Hello. Hello. He's doing good. He's doing great this trip. Was that good?
Yes.
Are you gonna fall down now?
No.
Okay, good. It's the chapel connected to the famous Chapel Bridge from the 12th century.
So this is probably the main.
So my brother and I are going on Chapel Bridge. Say what up?
What up?
This is the oldest wooden bridge in Europe.
Yeah.
How cool is this?
And this was built when? This was built in 1369.
This bridge is from 1369.
But, now it has been
There you go, that's good. That'll make the film for sure. All right, I gotcha. Yay!
Yay! All right, there we go.
So that is the town hall, and it's built after the Medici Riccardo Palace, for those that are looking. Amazing. It's just like it.
And it works well. So normally a Renaissance palace has a flat roof, but this because for our climate. And then you see the White House that's attached to it. It says White House, Brauerei. This is our town hall. After an old law, this is the only house in town that gets the water for free.
There's a dungeon in the water?
Yes, it's actually. Hello. Hi. You know what?
Oh, totally. It's filming the whole time, yeah. It's the cleanest water, man.
It's river water. It's clean.
It's amazing. I'm amped. Excited. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Oh, there's Mama sitting next to you over there.
Hey Dave, this is just like Atonement Church. We found it from Trading Places. It's Stad. Okay, I'm starting to pick up a theme here. This is starting to look like the Medici house. This looks like the Medici house too. Ooh. It's like the Medici house.
Yes.
I just got shushed. I'm sure they'll love that. They're clearly copying the Medici family here. This looks just like the Medici Riccardo Palace. And how do I know? because I was just there. Okay? So don't doubt me. It's true.
That's the same as before.
Fortification.
Fortification. I came to pump you up. So this is apparently the linden tree where you're not supposed to tell a lie, or you can't tell a lie. It's like Wonder Woman's truth serum.
How many times have you masturbated today?
75. You can't lie. I totally believe it. 75 times in the last, how long have you been up? 4 hours? 4 hours. Those are rookie numbers. You need to pump them up. That's right.
Corey's been recruited to do a little photo work.
Yes.
All right, on the count of 3. Wait, get in there, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Hang on, boys. Hang on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. They're talking about my father's skills right now. That's right. If you are on Instagram, there's no bikini pics, no bathing suit pics. We're gonna do this right. If we spend all this money on clothes, you're gonna wear all of the clothes, okay? All of it.
Okay.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Hast du es markiert, gell?
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Have they ever been on one of these before?
No.
Okay. Let's see. Halfway up, Mount Pilatus.
Oh, I can't look.
It's been a long time, Mr. Greg Wagner, but that's where we're going. We're going up. All the way up. What do you think, Carol?
It's awesome.
Liar. Liar. She's. You're
I'm
just
not,
saying that for
I'm
the
not
video.
under the
You're
linden
lying.
tree, but I'm not under the linden tree.
You're not under the linden tree, so you're gonna lie? It's awesome.
Awesome.
What do you think?
It's awesome.
What do you think?
It's high up.
Is Carol saying she wants to drive a toboggan?
No, don't.
Is that your dream? You want to do that next? This. Yes.
Yes, but this is a new gun.
I know. We're getting it in though. Greg, we're getting it in, man. We're back. It's only 22 years later. We're at Pilatus. We're at the old hotel. I see it right in front of us.
There you go.
And we're going to the top. This is it. We're back. Chris is getting a workout in too.
Yes. Pilatus.
Mount Pilatus.
And straight
Lake
down.
Lucerne. Oh, Mom, I hope I don't fall. Getting a power hike in with my brother. What's up, guys? All right, chill out. My brother and I just climbed Pilatus. A little out of shape, at least I am.
A little bit.
And look what we get to look at. Pretty killer. This guy, hiking. Oh man, wow.
Just got a bunch of them down there.
You're almost there, guys. So we're climbing down the top of Pilatus. It was pretty awesome. My brother and I are a little winded, but it's all good.
Not bad.
Not bad. Greg, we're back. This is where all of the scene of the crime happened. You're in for this pole dance no one knows about. It's all good. We're back.
It took 1.5 hours to get up. Now it's 14 minutes.
Another cogwheel train.
So all this beauty developed under the ice.
What do you think of Mount Pilatus?
It's very impressive.
Oh, you got bunny ears. She's totally messing with you. You're not even oblivious to it. You don't even know anymore. She was just giving you the bunny ears.
She was?
Yes.
No, I know. Oh, she's really
Yes.
part of our family.
The whole time you were talking, she was doing this to you.
She did that? No, she did. She said she did.
So what do you think? Do you like Pilatus?
Yes.
Care to elaborate anything more than yes? That's kind of just
Covers everything.
That covers everything. Just,
Covers it all.
yes. Okay. How about you?
Me?
Yeah, you. Who?
Me? I thought I was along for the ride.
No, this is your ride. This isn't our ride. This is your ride.
This is
Very nice.
the ride of our life.
Chris, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Awesome. What do you think of your guests? Do you like us?
No comment.
Nope. No comment. She's good. What?
Take a picture of all those flowers.
No, tell me how you feel.
I'm getting tired and hungry.
Okay, well, we'll get you back.
I like this.
Yeah, you're traveling in style. We gotta hang out more often. Roger, what up, man?
Talking.
Watch this surprise.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll put this here for a
Got a
second,
little
and then
tired.
he will pass it on. Yeah. Good. How many flash you need?
It smells good.
You guys get to sit over there.
They smell so good. He said there was no food.
No, it's just
There isn't.
cheese and bread.
I love that.
Oh.
I love cheese and bread. McDonald's. No wonder it smells so good. My kind of place. McDonald's.
Oh my god.
McDonald's. Did you
Yeah,
do
look,
this?
now we have this table. So,
You want your bag?
Yes.
you know, at that time,
Look how excited
Yeah,
she is.
yeah.
What do you think?
at the time they
it's
made
great.
the table, there was no existence of McDonald's. Huh?
This is cherry wood. Other Christmas.
That's the mahogany from
Mahogany.
Honduras mahogany.
Oh, excuse me, huh?
That's
Honduras mahogany.
real mahogany.
Oh, mahogany.
So you want to serve?
It did. It smelled so good.
Okay. Okay, don't make a mess on your lips.
How did you manage?
It smells so good.
Because we're just having bread and cheese. I said,
What are you
it
getting?
smells so good.
Bread and cheese.
Instead you get
Thank you.
McDonald's.
Thank you. This is the best.
You ready going now?
It's a pack of French fries.
Look at no one's talking anymore. Because everyone loves their cheeseburgers.
American people on a Swiss boat. On a Swiss lake.
Have you had your break
Oh,
today?
happy.